Hi everyone, good evening. This class will start chapter 8 application of integrals. So in this exercise, in this chapter only area of simple curves only given. The complicated curves are deleted for us. So what is the application of integral? What is first we have seen the definite integral and we have seen the indefinite integral. Both integrals we have seen. So finally we have seen the definite integral. The definite integral means integral a to b f of x dx is the definite integral. Limit is a to b. We are going to evaluate this function from the limit a to b. So if you are trying to draw the curve of this f of x, we will get like that, considering is equal to y equal to f of x. So I am going to I have evaluated the integral from a to b, along the x-axis. So x-axis is changing, that is dx means small change. So this is the value of the area of the curve below the curve above the x-axis between the interval a to b. So area of the curve area of the curve along x-axis a to b f of x dx. Suppose same I can calculate the area of the curve along y-axis also. If I am taking this point as c, if this point as d, means this area will be calculated by using the formula a equal to integral c to d. We can write this. We are going to find the area along the dy. So we have to write the function in terms of y. So we are going to write the in terms of y, that I am writing as f of y dy. Clear? So this will be written as, they will write that integral c to d. We can write it as x into dy also we can write. Similarly here also I can use that integral a to b, instead of f of x I can use y into dx also. Clear? This is the area of the curve under the curve between the point a to b. Similarly area of the curve c to d along y axis, here along x axis. These are the two formulas along. Clear? So now we will using these formulas we will solve the problems. Now suppose we may ask one more question. So what about the area of the x-axis? The curve is below the x-axis, means how to calculate the area? For example, area is below the x-axis. The curve is below the x-axis. For example, this curve we can take. The curve is now below the x-axis, means this area will be calculated the same formula, but small change we are going to make. That is integral a to b, same f of x dx, so that I take it as y into dx, but we have to use the modular symbol because it is the area below the x-axis, means the area will be the definite integral value will be negative. We are taking modulus, means that will become positive. That is the area of the curve. Clear? Similarly same is applicable for the along y-axis also. Left side of y-axis the curve is available, means we have to take modulus. Clear? Now we will move to the exercise problem directly. Very easy, only these two formulas alone we have to learn. So now come to the exercise problem, and we will while solving problem we will see it is only given for curves. We will see for curve and straight line, or a parabola and straight line like that is coming, means we will see the concept later. Before entering into the exercise problem, we have to know some ideas about the conic sections. Actually, what are the shapes we have learned? We have learned the circle, then we have learned the ellipse, parabolas. Parabolas means 4 types of parabola, ellipse also 2 types of ellipse. So these 3 basics we have to know. So what is the equation of circle? Equation of circle with center 0, 0. Center 0, 0 is x square plus y square equal to r square. Center 0, 0 with radius r. This is the equation of circle. Similarly, equation of ellipse and equation of parabola. First we will see a parabola and ellipse, or ellipse and parabola, no problem. So equation of ellipse equal to x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square equal to 1. It is type 1 ellipse. Type 2 ellipse means it will be like that. Major axis along x-axis means this is the equation. Major axis along y-axis means we have tried that x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. This is major axis along y-axis. Similarly, parabolas we have four types of parabola. So what is that? Open rightward, that is formula is y square equal to 4ax. Second one is open leftwards, that is y square equal to minus 4ax is the equation. Then open upwards, the formula is x square equal to 4ay. Then finally open downward, that formula is x square equal to minus 4ay. These are the basic equations. This we have to know. While solving problem, we will see area of the ellipse, area of the circle, area of the parabola under that between the lines 1 2 3, or between the letters rectum and the text, like that problems will be given. We have to find that. Clear? Now we will move to the exercise problem, exercise 8.1. So first question, what is given? Question number 1. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal to x. Y square equal to x, and the line x equal to 1 and another line x equal to 4. So y square equal to x means we can say that y square equal to 4ax open rightward parabola. So using that same concept, we are going to draw the parabola now. So y square equal to x, rough sketch we have to draw. So y square equal to x means it will be like that, open rightward parabola. So we have to find the value of x equal to 1. What is the equation? X equal to 1. X equal to 0 means that is y axis is x dash, y dash, we can write it. So this is the parabola y square equal to x. Now we have to draw the line, straight line x equal to 1. X equal to 0 means that is y axis. X equal to 1 means we will move to right side. So it is a straight line x equal to 1. Clear? So this is straight line x equal to 1. And what is given? X equal to 4. X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to calculate like that, x equal to 4. This is a straight line x equal to 4. Now what is given? Area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal to x, x equal to 1 and x equal to 4 about x axis in the first quadrant. So this area alone I need to calculate. Clear? So what is the formula? I'm going to use to find the area. So area along the curve a to area of the curve a to b along which axis? X axis. So my formula will be y into dx. So now what is the value of a to b, that is lower limit and upper limit, that is 1 to 4. Limit is 1 to 4. What is the value of y dx? Y value from the curve y equal to root of x. So root of x into dx will come. Clear? Now we will integrate this and applying upper limit and lower limit. So integrating x power 1 by 2, that is x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Then limit is 1 to 4. So constant will be taken outside, 2 by 3 into applying upper limit we will get 4 power 3 by 2 minus applying lower limit means 1 power 3 by 2 will come. So that is 2 by 3 into 4 power 3 by 2, nothing but 2 square power 3 by 2. 2 square power 3 by 2 minus 1. So this will be simplified as 2 by 3 into this square and cancel, 2 cube 8, 8 minus 1, 7 will come. So what is the answer? 14 by 3. It is area, so we have to mention the unit also. 14 by 3 square units. Second question also same model of the previous question. So what is given? Question number 2. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal to 9x. Here x equal to 2 to x equal to 4 and x axis in the first quadrant. So first quadrant value, first quadrant area with x axis. X axis in the first quadrant area I need to find. So y square equal to 4ax. This also open rightward parabola. So this is my y axis. So y dash, this is my x axis. So x dash. So y square equal to 9x is the open rightward parabola. It will be like that, open rightward parabola. So y square equal to 9x. So x equal to 2 means x equal to 0 is y axis, x equal to 1, x equal to 2. So I have to draw a straight line parallel to y axis, perpendicular to x axis, that is x equal to 2. Next to x equal to 4. that is also parallel to y-axis, perpendicular to x-axis. So in between the area, so actually what is given, area of the curve from x equal to 2 to x equal to 4 with y-axis in the first quadrant. So this area will be calculated. So what is the formula? Same formula, area equal to integral a to b. It is, we are going to calculate the area along x-axis, so y dx will come. Now what is the formula? Integral upper limit is 4, lower limit is 2, so 2 to 4, y value, what is the value of y here? Y equal to, take square root of 9 and 3x, root of 9x that we can take, then we simplify. So root of 9x into dx, so root 9 is constant, 3 will be taken outside. Then integral 2 to 4 root x means x power 1 by 2 into dx. The same problem already we have done. So 3 into evaluating x power 1 by 2, differentiating x power 1, that integrating x power 1 by 2 is x power 3 by 2 into 2 by 3. Limit is 2 to 4. So these 3 and 3 get cancelled, 2 will be outside. So now substituting the value of upper limit and lower limit, applying upper limit means 4 power 3 by 2 minus 3 power, so 2 power 3 by 2, that is equal to 2 into, this can be written as 2 square power 3 by 2, 2 square power 3 by 2, this can be written as 2 into root 2. So this square and 2 will cancel. So we are simplifying means 2 2 into 8 minus 2 root 2, multiplying this 2 inside, multiplying the 2 inside, we will get or we can take 2 outside. So 4 into 2 minus root 2 square units, 2 minus root 2, 4 into 2 minus root 2 square units is the answer. Clear? Okay, next question, question number 3. Find the area of the region bounded by x square equal to 4y. The lines are given here, y equal to 2, y equal to 4, y axis first quadrant, y axis first quadrant. So x square equal to 4y, x square equal to 4ay is the open open upward parabola. So open upward parabola, it is my x and x dash, it is my y and y dash. So open upward parabola will be like that. Equation is x square equal to 4y. Now what is the straight line given? Y equal to 2, y equal to 4, y equal to 0 means it is x axis, y equal to 1, y equal to 2 means it will be parallel to x axis, perpendicular to y axis, that is y equal to 2. Now y equal to 4, it will be here, y equal to 4, this is straight line, y equal to 4. So now I need to find the area of the curve along y axis in the first quadrant. So this area should be calculated. Clear? So now what is the formula here? Integral a, I'm going to find the area along y axis. So my formula is integral c to d x into dy, x into dy. So what is the lower limit here? Lower limit is 2, upper limit is 4. So area integral 2 to 4, x value, what is x value? Square root of 4y into dy will come. So square root of 4 equal to 2, the constant will be taken outside, remaining integral 2 to 4 root y means y power 1 by 2 dy. So find the integration finding means what will come? Y power 3 by 2, denominator 3 by 2 will come, that is 2 by 3 will come here. Limit is 2 to 4. So 2 by 3 will be taken outside, that will be 4 by 3. Next applying upper limit, we will get 4 power 3 by 2 minus 2 power 3 by 2. Already same the simplification we have done in the previous problem. So inside what will come? 4 by 3 minus 2 square means that square and 2 will cancel, 2 cube, that is 8 will come, 8 minus this will be written as 2 root 2 square units. Clear? 2 root 2 square units. Next question number 4. So what is given here? This given different shape. Find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse. Sometime they will mention the equation, sometime they won't mention. So we have to be vigilant by identifying the equation. So x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. We are going to find the area of this curve. So we can directly draw the diagram, rough diagram we are going to sketch here. X dash, y dash. Diagram contains 1 mark, so we should not leave the diagram. So we have to draw always diagram, then only we have to start the problem. So it is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, type 1 ellipse. Clear? So we will mention it here, which is type 1 ellipse. Type 1 ellipse means major axis along x-axis. So my ellipse will be written like that, will be drawn like that. Okay, so the total area I need to calculate. So I don't know the corner point, this point I don't know, this point I don't know, this vertex I don't know, this vertex I don't know, but I can identify from here. So how to write the ellipse equation? X square by 4 square plus y square by 3 square equal to 1. So what is the value of a here? A equal to 4, b equal to 3. So this ellipse, this point will be 4 comma 0. This is vertex, a and a dash are vertex, so 4 comma 0. This side will be, that is minus 4 comma 0. So here it is the endpoints of minor axis. What is that? 0 comma 3. Here it will be 0 comma minus 3. So it is equal to calculate the, to want to calculate the total area. Actually we can write here. So area of the ellipse, area of the ellipse equal to 4 times of the area in the 4 times of the area in the first quadrant, 4 times of area in first quadrant. Not only first quadrant, 4 times of area of second quadrant, 4 times area of third quadrant, or 4 times area of fourth quadrant. Any one quadrant we can take, because the ellipse with the ellipse is symmetric about the x-axis and to y-axis as well as. So I can find the area 4 times of area in the first quadrant. So we are going to find the area along the first x-axis. So what is the formula? 4 times of integral a to b y into dx. This is the formula. 4 times of area equal to 4 times of integral a to b y dx. So what is the value of y? We have to find the value of y. We have to find the value of a and b also. So a means we should not confuse with this a and b. This is different, this is different. So this is a and b means this area from here. So from here to we are going to calculate this area alone. So what is the lower limit now? Lower limit equal to 0. What is the upper limit now? Upper limit equal to 4. So 0 to 4 y dx. 0 to 4 y dx. Clear? So 4 times of 0 to 4 y dx. This we will calculate here. Clear? Now before that we will find the value of y from this curve. So what is the value of y from the curve? So we have to we need y term alone. So bring the x square by 16 to right side. So I will calculate here. So what will be there? Y square by 9 equal to 1 minus x square by 16 will come. So take LCM and right now what will come? 9 will be multiplied here. So 9 into taking LCM means 16 minus x square whole divided by 16 will come. So the value of y equal to root 9 equal to 3, root 16 equal to 4 will come. Remaining will be inside the root, that is 4 square minus x square. This is the value of y. So this value of y we will apply here, and then we will evaluate this integral. So apply it now. What will come? For area will be a equal to 4 times, that is constant, that will be taken outside. So 3 by 4 into integral 0 to 4 square root of 4 square minus x square into dx. Clear? So in the integration we have seen the formula. What is the formula? Write the formula and then integrate. So integral, no need of that limit. First apply that formula and then apply limit later. So integral root of a square minus x square, integral root of a square minus x square dx equal to x by 2 square root of a square minus x square minus a square divided by 2 sine inverse of x by a, sorry, plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a. So root of integral root of a square minus x square dx equal to x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. This is the formula. So this formula I am going to apply in the integral. So this 4 will cancel. So a value will be 3 into, so apply that now, x in the place, same x here. So x by 2 root of 4 square minus a square minus x square means 4 square minus x square plus 4 square by 2, that is 16 divided by 2 sin inverse of x by a. So sin inverse of x by 4. Here it will come limit 0 to 4. Previous one it is indefinite integral, so integration constant will come. It is definite integral, so integration constant will not come. Limit will come 0 to 4. Now we will apply the upper limit and then apply the lower limit, and then we will evaluate. So what will come? 3 into applying upper limit. What will come? Applying 4 means this term will become 0. So 0 plus, we can cancel this, it will come. So 8 into sin inverse of 4 by 4 minus lower limit. Applying 0 means again first term will become 0, second term all will be remaining, that is minus of second term is what? Sin inverse of 0, minus of sin inverse of 0 will come. So now simplify this. 8 times sin inverse of 1. When sin will take 1? Sin will take 1 at pi by 2 minus sin will take 0 at 0. We are only dealing with acute angles. Clear? So now we can cancel this. 4 times will come. 4 3s are 12. So 12 pi square units. 12 pi square units is the area of the ellipse. One formula we have to understand generally. We have to verify this formula. If an ellipse are available, this is the major axis length. So this will be 2a. This is a, this is b here. So area of the ellipse equal to formula pi into a into b. So a value for this question we got a equal to 4, we got b equal to 3 got. So 5 into the pi into 4 into 3, 12 pi, we are getting the correct answer. Like that we can check the answer with the formula. Clear? Now next question also ellipse question. Question number 5. So what is given here? Find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse. X square divided by 4 plus y square divided by 9 equal to 1. So it is type 2 ellipse, which is type 2 ellipse. So type 2 ellipse means what is that? Major axis along y axis. So ellipse will become like that, major axis along y axis. So this will be x and x dash, x and x dash. This will be y and y dash. This is our center of the ellipse. Clear? So now what is the value of a? So we can write this x square by 2 square plus y square by 3 square equal to 1. So this is the value. What is the value of a and b here? So a equal to 3, b equal to 2. Clear? A equal to 3, b equal to 2. So the largest value must be a, smallest value must be b. So a equal to 3, b equal to 2. So now how to calculate the area? So here we are going to calculate the area. So this total area should be calculated. Total area, we can calculate the area by two formulas. Along x-axis also we can identify, or along y-axis also we can find. So along y-axis means what is the point? This point will be 0, 3. This coordinate will be 0, minus 3. This coordinate will be 2, 0. This coordinate will be minus 2, 0. Clear? So I am going to find the same along x-axis or y-axis. Any formula I can use. I am going to find the along x-axis. Same concept. Area of ellipse. Area of ellipse equal to 4 times of area of first quadrant. First quadrant area I can find. So what is the first quadrant area? Along x-axis I am finding. So integral a to b, I can write y into dx. Integral a to b, y into dx. So what will come? Here limits are 4 into integral. Lower limit equal to 0, upper limit equal to 2. 2 into y dx. So what is the value of y here? Y value will be calculated from this given equation as previous question. We are going to find the y value. So y square by 9 equal to 1 minus x square by 4. So y square equal to 9 by 4 into 4 square minus x square. We are taking LCM and we are writing here, sorry, not 4 square, 4 minus x square. We are taking LCM 4 minus x square. So taking square root means y equal to 3 by 2 into square root of 2 square minus 6 square. That value will be applied here. So what is the area? Area equal to 4 into 3 by 2 will be outside. Integral 0 to 2 root of 2 square minus x square into dx. So you can cancel these two. That 6 will be multiplied with this integral. So we will evaluate this integral now. Clear? Or we can say right here and then evaluate. So area equal to 6 times 0 to 2. 6 times 0 to 2 integral 0 to 2 2 square minus x square into dx. So this value we have to calculate now. So what is the formula? Already we have learned in the previous chapter, integral root of a square minus x square. What is that? X divided by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square divided by 2 sine inverse of x by a plus c. So I'm going to apply that same formula for here. So what is the value of a will come? Value of a, that is a area equal to 6 times of, applying here what will come, first step will be x by 2 into root of 2 square is 4, so 4 minus x square plus a square value equal to 2 square. 2 square by 2 means 4 by 2 into sine inverse of x value is x as it is, x value equal to x by 2. Limit here it is given that 0 to 2. Clear? So we will apply the upper limit and applying lower limit. What will come? 6 into applying upper limit 2 by 2, 2 square, 4 minus 2 square, that is 4 minus 4. First term will become 0. Only second term will be remaining. Second time also 2 times of sine inverse of 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. Minus lower limit, applying 0 means this will become 0. Applying 0 here, we will get 2 times of sine inverse of 0 will come. So simplifying, 6 into 2 times of sine inverse of 1, it will take at pi by 2. Here sine will take 0 at 0. So cancelling this, totally what is the answer? 6 into pi square units. 6 into pi square units. So this also will be verified. What is the equation? X square by 2 square plus y square by 3 square equal to 1. A value equal to 3, B value equal to 2. So AB pi into 3 into 2, that is 6 pi units. Clear? Thank you all. A remaining question number 6 onwards, we will discuss in next class. Thank you.